We humans have been living on this planet for thousands of years. We have found solutions to our problems in order to survive and continue our lineage. Over time, we developed technology to make daily life easier and more efficient. We used the technology to study things around us. Then we started studying life, which we called biology, and progressively the biologic data and knowledge we had increased. We began using computational and analytical tools to interpret and capture the biological data we possess, and this became a new field called bioinformatics. But wait, what is bioinformatics? Well, let's first look at its meaning. The prefix bio means life, and informatics means the science of processing data for storage and retrieval. These two together make the word bioinformatics, meaning the science of connecting and analyzing complex biological data.
When it comes to what it is,
Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines science, mathematics, physics, and biology. It uses computers to make sense of the enormous amount of data that researchers obtain from living organisms and is essential for management of data in modern biology and medicine. Researchers use bioinformatics to decode the human genome, examine the overall picture of biological systems, develop new biotechnologies, refine new legal and forensic techniques. And since bioinformatics enables the functional understanding of the human genome, it is anticipated that it will facilitate the enhanced discovery of drug targets and the development of personalized medicine in the future.
okay, I told you enough about what it is. Now, let's look at how it got advanced to the level we got it to be today.
A significant figure in the bioinformatics field was Margaret Bell Dayhoff, an American physical chemist who pioneered the application of computational methods to the field of biochemistry. She had extensively used computational methods for her PhD thesis in electrochemistry and saw the possible capability of computers in the field of biology and medicine. In 1960, after becoming the associate director of the National Biomedical Resource Foundation, she started working with Robert C. Ledley, another physicist who also sought to bring computational resources to biomedical problems. From 1958 to 1962, they both combined their skills and developed CompProtein, a complete computer program for the IBM 7090 intended to determine protein primary structure using Edmund peptide sequencing data. This software, entirely coded in Fortran on punch cards, is the first occurrence of what we would call today a de novo sequence assembler. Apart from that, the Human Genome Project occupies an important place in the history of bioinformatics. The Human Genome Project was an international collaboration carried out from 1990 to 2003 that successfully identified, stored, and made publicly available nearly the entire genetic content of human organisms. This remains one of the major achievements of bioinformatics today. So let's sum up the positive aspects of it. It plays a crucial role in data management in modern biology and medicine. It can help find drug targets and help with individualized therapy and can enable the identification of disease genes. Well, just as there are pros, aren't there also downsides of it? Unfortunately, yes. And here are some downsides of it. First of all, not every database has the same reliability and data quality, which makes the data noisy. Secondly, the mere existence of information is not sufficient. It must also be usable and accessible. However, the lack of standardized formats and a common interface for data poses a barrier to this. Finally, because there are scientists working in many different departments in the field of bioinformatics, communication problems arise when they are far apart from each other and productivity declines. However, despite its downsides, the benefits of its positive aspects make you forget the negative ones. One of my reasons for choosing bioinformatics is that it incorporates computers into biology, creating a scientific field that encompasses many areas, and apparently it attracts many people in their career choices. For example, there are currently around 31,300 bioinformatics scientists in Canada, and this number is expected to grow. That's all I have to say. Thank you for watching.